Operational excellence has really improved the career advancements for operators in our area. It has given them opportunities to move up into management areas, to be in leadership roles.
At the end of the day, what's most important to me is making sure that the individuals in the class are able to understand the concept, but more importantly, take that and visualize it in their own workspace, whether it's manufacturing or service or finance or medical. They're able to then translate that into real action.
Lean Six Sigma is not theoretical. It is practical application, and that's what helps to build the students their abilities and prove mastery of the tools to then go out and do it in perpetuity. So it's not a one-time thing. The ability to streamline and reduce waste in every aspect of life, applying those tools to that helps out immensely because it becomes a time saver.
These processes can benefit all walks of life. Six Sigma comes in different training levels. You start off at a very low level, just learning the basics, the principles. It is something that you just build on. And it's a team process also. You work as a team where you learn from other people that you work with. I don't think I would be at the same place today if I did not pursue my Six Sigma Black Belt.